Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Dang and I'll be using the film strip die from this month along with the April 2024 main kit. I'm also using the Cardstock Kit to die cut these film strips. I set those die cuts aside and I'm going to frame my pictures with these frames. I'm setting those aside and I'm gonna work on my background, and for my main focus on my background is gonna be these film strips that I'm adding to my layout. It's subtle, but it's adding so much detail and texture to my background. I'm keeping this fairly simple, so I'm starting to embellish, and the film strip basically just did all the work for me in my background, so I didn't really have to do too much to the back. I'm also going to use the Project Life stamp set to add small little detail words on my page. If you like things simple, this layout can be completely done now, but I like to take things up a notch, so I'm adding some more details. I'm adding a few small touches and I'm done with my page. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope my layout gave you some inspiration for your next project.